The ASUS ROG Strix B850A gaming Wi-Fi is a motherboard that knows exactly who it's for, aimed squarely at PC builders who want a reliable, well-equipped foundation for an AMD gaming system. It blends performance-focused features with a clean, understated design that feels refreshingly grown up for the ROG line. After spending time with it, the overall impression is of a board that prioritizes everyday usability just as much as raw power. Visually, the B850A makes a strong first impression without going overboard. The white and silver color scheme is crisp and modern, making it an excellent match for lighter-themed builds or minimalist cases with tempered glass. Subtle RGB accents are present but restrained, adding a touch of personality without dominating the look. Build quality feels solid throughout, from the reinforced PCIe slots to the well-finished heatsinks, giving confidence that this board is designed to last through multiple upgrades. In terms of layout, ASUS has clearly put thought into real-world building. Components are sensibly spaced, cable routing is straightforward, and the board never feels cramped despite offering plenty of connectivity. The inclusion of multiple M2 slots, each with its own heatsink, is particularly welcome for anyone planning fast NVMe storage without thermal concerns. SATA ports are positioned neatly to avoid clashes with larger graphics cards, which is a small detail that makes a big difference during assembly. Performance is where the ROG Strix B850A truly earns its place. Paired with a modern AMD processor, the board feels stable and responsive. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or juggling demanding productivity tasks, power delivery is robust and well-cooled, handling sustained loads without complaint. While this isn't a board designed purely for extreme overclocking, it offers more than enough headroom for sensible tuning, and ASUS's BIOS makes the process accessible even for less experienced users. Connectivity is another strong point. Built-in Wi-Fi delivers fast, dependable wireless performance, which is ideal if a wired connection isn't practical. Bluetooth support is equally reliable for peripherals and accessories. On the rear I/O, there's a generous selection of USB ports, including high-speed options that future-proof the system nicely. Audio quality is also commendable, providing clean, punchy sound that's more than sufficient for gaming headsets and everyday listening. Day-to-day use highlights how polished the overall experience is. The system boots quickly, firmware updates are straightforward, and ASUS's software suites offers useful tools without feeling intrusive. Fan control is particularly impressive, allowing fine-grained adjustments that help balance cooling and noise. With the right setup, it's easy to build a system that stays cool and quiet even under load. That said, the B850A isn't without its compromises. Enthusiasts chasing the absolute cutting edge may find the chipset a touch conservative compared to higher-end alternatives, and those who love extensive RGB customization might wish for more lighting zones. Price-wise, it sits firmly in the mid-range, which feels fair for what's on offer, but it may stretch budgets for more casual builders. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix B850A gaming Wi-Fi is a thoughtfully designed motherboard that excels at what most gamers and PC enthusiasts actually need. It looks great, performs reliably, and offers a smooth, frustration-free user experience from build to daily use. If you're planning a stylish AMD gaming rig with strong features and long-term reliability, this board makes a very compelling case for itself.